Howdy, howdy, Gravedigger here. So we're back again. Got a bathtub repair we got to do. Again. I know. Let's get to it. So here we are, back at it again. Round two, and I'm sure a lot of you are like, hey, didn't you already fix the tub? Yeah, but seems like around here, repairs are kind of like hobbits. Yeah, we've had first repair, but what about second repair? I noticed this morning that the crack is back, granted in a different place. Same thing's causing the problem, and without getting too angry about it or being able to call anybody out, just gonna fix it. Otherwise, I'll lose my effing mind. Because their behavior isn't going to change. So this is going to be a repeat of last time. Take my product. Slap it down. Should be enough, probably won't be enough. Drops and mix. It's my fault, really. I don't blame the product for this. I was focused too much on beauty last time and making it look good. Now I know that is not the way to go, because I got somebody who doesn't care, doesn't give a shit. So I am gonna apply this in what would be probably the most uncomfortable manner I could think of for one to place their foot there. I'm going to make a whole bunch of little spiky, pointy bits. And hopefully this will cause a cessation to the issue. Otherwise, I'll lose my effing mind. Oh yeah, that's it. Just wanted to shoot y'all a quick video of me losing my shit over having to constantly fix stuff. So that's going to be it for the bathtub repair. Yes, it's frustrating to have to fix things constantly over and over again. And I do know why the crack or break is happening again. But I can't exactly call the person out and expect different results, because I've brought this to their attention multiple times and they still do this. Basically, it's using your foot to push up against the front of the tub, so your back hits the back of the tub and you sit up instead of, using your fucking abs. Be a fucking animal, I'm gonna call you out like a fucking animal. But I thank you for watching. We'll see you again next time.